Motorsports Edit. I'm now here at Taylor's Lakeside campus as I heard there's 2 units of RaceRoom Racing Simulators here at the Future Games. So let's check them out. Okay, now I'm here at Future Games. It's an esports game. It looks like an internet cafe, but very nicely decorated. And lots of computers all over here for your e-gaming, esports training. And see the computers. All Logitech, like keyboards is Logitech, the mouse, and this chair is also Logitech. The table is like specially for gaming. Headphones also for gaming. PC is caged up under the table. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Jason.
Hello. Nice to see you again.
Jason is the boss of RaceRoom Malaysia, and this is Jimmy here. Keyman, and he's very good at racing the RaceRoom Racing Simulator as well. No. We have Akina Teo here as well. Gonna be a good challenger, and I'm gonna test out the simulators here. So I'm going to register myself. Okay, so yeah, my name is here. Now the RaceRoom Simulator, it has a 40-inch monitor display. The steering console here with the pedal shifts is a Logitech G29, which comes with pedals, and this is sold separately. This is the shifter, and this is the chair that is made for RaceRoom. It's a customized chair, and it can be folded with the lever. So this will be folded down, and these are all adjustable. They will dismantle the TV so that everything can be fit in a box, just like my one in my house. Now these two simulators are connected to this main computer, so everything is controlled by this main computer at the back, and there's a server here, so you can do broadcasting as well. So you can do live broadcasting and also control the computer for all the racing simulators to be connected. Now the computer that is used here, the CPU, is Intel NUC8 VR machine. This is the same model here. It's a skull design, and it has 2 HDMI ports, one on the top, one on the bottom, and USB ports, Ethernet wires, and 6 USB ports here, 4 on the top and 2 at the bottom. It has the 8th generation Intel Core i7 inside, and ATI Radeon 16GB RAM graphic card also. Very fast for gaming. Although it's so small, but it's power packed for fast gaming, just like this simulator. So it's very simple to use. My one back in my house is huge, much larger, just like a CPU. But this one is like this. This is, I think, only like 6-inch and by 12 inch, and like 1 inch over here. So it's really small, really compact, but it packs a punch. So I'm gonna be sitting inside the simulator. As I sit inside, the pedals are quite far away, It's adjustable here. We have the pedals here, minus and plus. Lots of controls here, up and down. And it's like the PlayStation one with the PlayStation logo, R2, R3, L2, L3, and lots of buttons here with this dial and enter and plus and minus. So this is like Logitech, and to clamp onto this rig, there's these two knobs here, and for shifter there's a separate one that is connected this wire to this gear shifter. So there's 3 pedals at the bottom, the clutch, the brakes, oh the brakes are hard, and the accelerator. So we have the Sepang track, and we're driving the Chevrolet RML Cruise TC1. Hands on the wheel. Okay, let's go. Just tested mine. It was pretty fun. I have one back at home as well. The game itself, you can download it from the website on Steam, and you can play it like at your house. If a racing rig like this one, you can come over here. It's 10 ringgit per hour here at Future Games. You can test it out yourself. They're using the latest G29 Logitech steering. I've tried other kinds of racing simulator, but nothing as compared to RaceRoom. The graphics is really like the real racetracks. They have so many new racetracks coming up every now and then. And I heard from the owner, Mr. Jason, he's saying there's new tracks from China like Ningbo and Motegi from Japan. So there's lots of new tracks. So you can keep updated from the website. It's raceroom.com. Download it at game.raceroom.com. and check it out yourself. So this is one place for you to train. There are other places also in Mid Valley. You have the Rift. Do check out my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, the new TikTok as well. And see you in my next video. Bye bye. Call it Taylor's Lakeside Campus. Future Game Room. Future
Games.